Voice control. Ukoke Smart Portable Air Conditioner HVAC unit works with Alexa to easily turn on, off your AC unit and adjust your desired temperature all by a voice command. Mobile app control. Download the Ukoke app in Apple App Store and Android Play Store to control your portable AC anywhere with your smartphone, tablet or computer. Our app is your personal smartphone remote controller, allowing users to easily control all Ukoke smart home products in one app, making home and family life easier. Traditional remote control. Manually control your portable AC from the digital LED display panel and provided remote control. 4-in-1 multifunctional appliance. 4 functions in one HVAC machine combining cool, heat, dehumidifier and high, medium and low fan mode with an added swing function to adjust the wind direction. High-end technology. 12 kBTU cooling capacity, cools up to 400 square feet of floor space, or a medium-sized room. Switch from cooler to heater, warming up your room in less than 10 minutes. Eco-friendly R410A refrigerant and efficient compressor lowers noise down to 53 decibels, enough to maintain your desired temperature while sleeping. Portability. Easy to install window AC unit, just connect the exhaust hose to the window. Air conditioning unit comes with a washable filter to save money from buying replacement filters. Designed with 4 wheels on the bottom of the unit for easy and convenient movement around the house, living room, kitchen, and bedrooms. Certifications. Ukoke USPC01W Portable AC Unit is certified by Intertech for product safety and quality assurance. Top reviews from the United States. Relatively quiet and powerful. I bought one then loved it, so I bought another. Our landlord won't fix the AC and we live in Texas. This AC unit keeps the bedroom and living room bearable.